Welcome the our channel. Today we how to budget with Voyager, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Voyager app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create an account or log in. Familiarize yourself with the main dashboard where all budgeting features are accessible. Access the budgeting section from the navigation menu. Here, you'll find options to set up your income and expenses. Start by entering your monthly income in the designated field. Next, move on to document your fixed expenses, like rent or mortgage payments. Add variable expenses such as groceries and entertainment. Consider categorizing your expenses for easier tracking. Set spending limits for each category based on your financial goals. Review the suggested budget breakdown provided by the app, making adjustments as needed. Save your budget once you are satisfied with the allocations. Now, head over to the Spending Tracker feature. Link your bank accounts to automatically import transactions. This will allow you to see real-time spending updates. Monitor your spending against your budget regularly. Use alerts and notifications to stay informed about budget variances. At the end of the month, review your budget performance. Analyze areas where you may have overspent or saved. Adjust your budget for the following month based on these insights. Lastly, take advantage of any educational resources provided within the app. Consistently update and refine your budget as your financial situation changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.